Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today's video I am sharing some really amazing finds from the Range. I love the Range. If you saw my last haul, I got some good bits in that, but there was a lot of practical things in that haul, whereas this haul is just beautiful things for around the house. So inexpensive, gorgeous pieces. So I'm going to jump straight into the video and show you everything that I got. So the first two items that I want to show you are huge, so bear with me. Oh, look at these bad boys. These candlesticks are huge, as you can see. Massive candlesticks, and I honestly cannot believe how much candlestick you get for the price. These were $9.99 each, which I just think is such a bargain. They're like this gorgeous whitewash effect, which I'm just loving at the minute. I'm really liking white decor. A lot of things that I have are silver, but I'm definitely leaning towards the like white, fresh look these days, and these are just gorgeous. These are going to look so nice just if I put them next to the fireplace with some big candles on. I just think they are gorgeous, and £20 for these two, I just can't believe the prices. I really can't. And this is what I mean about the Range. Some things are just such a bargain. I don't even think places like Home Bargains or B&M would sell them for that price, because I mean that is just ridiculous. So cheap, and I just think they are beautiful and really nice and neutral, so will go anywhere really. And yeah, can't wait to style them up. Also, these are the small, even though they are not small whatsoever. They're basically very similar to the other ones, and these were, how much were these? $6.99 each. It's so cheap. I have got much smaller, less fancy candlesticks that I paid more for than that. $6.99 for these two, and they are just such statement pieces, these big white candlesticks. I just can't believe it. I know I'm like keep saying it, but they are just what a bargain. So again, these go nice if you want to put them with the bigger ones, like staggered sizes. Just need to get some big pillar candles, but so pleased with these. These are just beautiful. $6.99. Sticking with this gorgeous sort of white Moroccan whitewash decor is this, and this was only $12.99. It is a massive Moroccan art piece. It's really light as well, so it's not going to be a pain to hang up. And how gorgeous is that? Just these items I think that are in this haul, I just think look so much more expensive than they are. I would pay like triple the price for that probably. So $12.99 for this. It would look really nice if you had like 3 of them in a row. I think it would look really pretty. But yeah, another whitewash piece that all goes nicely with the candlesticks, and yeah, another total bargain. And the next item to show you is this vintage garland. I am just loving a bit of greenery at the minute. I think because it's springtime coming, and I just feel like I want some greenery around the house. I have been using these in a lot of craft projects as well. I find things like this come in so handy for so many different things. This would look nice on a fireplace, or if you used it, like I say, in a craft. If you've seen any of my craft videos, then you will see that I use things like this quite often, so go give them a watch. You can make your own wreath, and yeah, I think they're just a really handy thing to have, just to wrap around things. I think it makes things look really pretty. This was, let me just check the price of this. I think it was $6.99. Yeah, so it's $6.99 for this, and I'm not sure how long it is. It doesn't actually say on the packaging, but it just says to use it indoors only, because it'll probably fade if you put it outside. But it's got some of these little pretty artificial flowers on it, and I can think of loads of uses for this, styling up shelves and along the fireplace and things. So I'm really happy with this item as well. I think all the greens and the whites together just look really nice. This whitewash look with the greens on it, like obviously you wouldn't have it like that, but like just the colour scheme together just works really nicely. The next item is this gorgeous little tray with 3 vases in it that have got little sprigs of fake lavender. How cute are these? These all come out, they're not stuck in. But how gorgeous is that? It just says welcome on the front. Oh, I just think it's so pretty. This was $6.99. It's got little handles on it, and this would just look gorgeous in the kitchen, in the window. I just think that is another really pretty little home accessory. And obviously if you wanted to take them out, or you wanted to change up the flowers or anything in there, then you can, which I love, because not everything is all stuck together. So if you want to move stuff around, then you absolutely can, or you can keep other things in there, move the little vases around. So yeah, I love this, really happy with it for $6.99. It's one to watch, the ranges. I really do think with some of the prices of them, you can really pick up some bargains if you have a good look. A lot of things go out of stock on the website and then come back in stock, so you just have to keep an eye on things, because that's one thing, they're not the best for online shopping, because things are just not always available. So you have to keep your eye on it, keep things in your wish list, and then just keep checking to see when they come back in stock again. But yeah, really affordable products from there that I just think can look really expensive as well, which I love. I love something that is going to look a lot more expensive than it was. I love to say, guess how much that was. I would much rather have a home full of bargain homeware that looks more expensive than to have a load of really expensive stuff that just doesn't look it. So yeah, I'm just all for the bargains. Another little cute little artificial plant here. Love the colour of this pot. Just think that is really lovely. This was, not sure how much this was, let me check. Only £2.49 for this, which I think is just great. You would pay that in all of the cheap shops. I think it's really lovely. Again, put it on a kitchen shelf or somewhere, or any shelf, to be honest. You could put this anywhere around the house. And it's just lovely to introduce that bit of greenery. Now that it's coming to spring, get some fake flowers and things around the house, make it feel all fresh, ready for the sunshine. And yeah, £2.49 is an absolute steal for that. I love the little pot that it comes in. I've also got this little bouquet of lavender. This was, I've just looked and I've forgotten already, how ridiculous, £1.99. This isn't quite as nice looking as the lavender that is in the 3-pot welcome one. It just doesn't look quite as realistic. This one does look a little bit nicer, but still nice. I mean, for only $1.99, I can still think of lots of places to put that. Probably in the kitchen. Just loving a lot of artificial flowers at the moment. You could add it into vases that you've already got with flowers in. Just putting it in your kitchen table would look quite nice. Love lavender, really pretty. The next item is one of my favourites. This was a set of 2, and it is these lovely lanterns, again in this whitewash effect. These were $19.99, so you've got the large one and then the smaller one. They have this like nice gold colour coming through on the patterns, which I love. These are just look nice for the summertime when the sun comes out. When it's not going to rain, you can put them outside and have your candles in there just while she's sitting out in the summertime having your barbecue. I cannot wait for those days now. I'm really over the wet, dark, cold days, so looking forward to some sunshine. And I just think these are gorgeous. Obviously I'm going to keep them indoors to stop them from rusting, but I think when it is nice weather, it's nice to like style up your outdoors and put some of these sorts of decorative accessories around when you know it's not going to rain. And yeah, I think these are gorgeous. I love all of this lovely white decor at the moment. I just think it just really is nice and fresh for the springtime. And then the last item is these storage cubes. You will have seen that I buy these all the time. I find them so handy, use them for so many different things. And we have a few different cube storage systems upstairs, like in mine and Peter's wardrobe and in the boys' room. And yeah, they always come in handy, but they just don't always last that long, so sometimes they need replacing because I probably overfill them, to be honest. So these were $5.99, and they are these grey Geo storage cubes. But yeah, our cube storage, I think, even though I think the IKEA ones are like probably the best value, I think I got ours from B&M, and yeah, I always find them really handy. I've changed them around so many times as well, like flipped them on their sides, stacked them up, had them in different places, in wardrobes, in bedrooms and everything. I always find them just such a versatile, handy piece of furniture. So these are great to go in there just to hide all your things as well. And I think that is everything. I feel like I whizzed through that so quickly. I hope that it wasn't too short and sweet, but I love everything that I picked up. all of this gorgeous decor that just goes so nicely together. I cannot wait to find homes for, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. I would love it if you let me know down below what your favourite item was, and yeah, give it a big thumbs up as well. I always appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you did hit the subscribe button. My channel is so many various things, like I just have a real mixed bag of things I love. I absolutely love to do crafty things. I love making things. I do loads of hauls, I do speed cleans, I do a bit of makeup sometimes as well, like unboxings. And yeah, I would love it if you joined me on my little YouTube channel to catch up with my videos. I post around 3 times a week at the moment. If not, it's definitely Wednesdays or Sundays, but I'm pretty much always posting on a Friday as well now, depending how busy my week is and if I manage to get 3 videos out for the week. But that is what I love. I love to do it, so that's what I aim for, 3 videos a week. So I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, and I will hopefully see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.